To create my spring twist, I use 1.5 packs of this hair. It is Bomb Twist by NAFY collection. The hair is very bouncy and springy. This is one strand of hair. I'm going to split this hair in half and use 1/2 per twist. Now, if you want your hair to be a little bit fuller, I would recommend you using a thicker strand of hair. This hair can get dense very quickly, so please keep that in mind when separating your strands. To avoid tension on my scalp, I use a certain technique to install my twist. First thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of edge control to my roots. Then I'm going to plait my hair down probably about 1 inch. This is about how far down you want your plait to go. Next, I'm going to grab my crochet needle and insert it under the plait. You're going to hook the extension and pull 1/2 of the extension through. Once you've pulled 1/2 through, you want to ensure that both halves are the same length. Alright, now you're going to grab 1/2 of the extension in one hand and then the other half of the extension along with your hair and start twisting. Now you're only going to twist until you get to the point where the plait ends. Once you get there, you're going to split your hair in half and add it to the other 2 strands of hair and continue to twist all the way down. And while I'm twisting, I'm going to be applying this Murray's Beeswax cream just to moisturize my hair and minimize frizz. This hair is a lot longer than it appears. In its stretch state, it's about waist length. One of the things I like most about this hair is that it mimics natural hair in its ability to coil back into its curly state once tension is taken away from it. On the next section of hair, I'm just going to repeat those same steps. Now, the reason why I use this tension-free technique is because 1, I have naturally thin edges and I do not want to compromise them. 2, I think that installing the hair this way makes it look more natural at the roots. And this is the final look. I absolutely love this hair because it really looks and feels like my own natural hair. I've gotten an endless amount of compliments on it. People ask me if it's my hair. It's soft, it's fluffy, it's versatile, and I can style it just as I would my own 2-strand twist. I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.